I've had this jet bandsaw, it's a 14-inch, for about a year, a little over a year now. I have a little issue. The blade keeps jumping off, and it's because the belt or the tires are too loose. And I believe it's because I kept the tension on it. So today, I went ahead and ordered some new urethane tires for this 14-inch, and I'm going to attempt to replace them this first time. So I'm just going to take it for what it's worth. Never done it before, but it shouldn't be that hard. So let's get into it. Here we go. Got new tires on it. This blade is a little bent, as you can see. We'll go ahead and replace it. To roll them up, you just take one in, one hand, opposite, and you just twist. And most of the time, it'll roll into a circle, except for this one. Goes. So I've got another 1/4-inch blade here. I'm going to install it. And then test out and see how well the replacement of the tires did. Hopefully that'll stop the blade from jumping off, damaging the blade. Okay, so we're all set back up. Tension's just a little bit less than where I want it to be at, but I think the tires are just a little bit thinner than the originals, so we'll close it up and see how it runs. Here we go. That didn't work. So tension is off. I can see the blade twisting. I'm gonna have to work with it, see what I can come up with. All right, so if this works, I'll show you what I did to adjust the tension on it, and let's try it again. Here we go. Okay, so that seemed to have worked. What I did was the tires that were on it were a .125, and the new tires that I bought were a .095, which is the ones that I ordered. What I did, I'll bring it around here. Yeah. All right. I ordered the wrong pulley. Obviously, it was a 1/8 pulley or a 0.125 thickness pulley, and the one that I ordered was a .095, which is I think somewhere around the 1/16 of an inch thickness. So what I did to counter that was I took this Allen key out, or loosened it to where this nut would move, and that's your tensioner. And when I loosened this, I dropped my tension, put that on a 1/4 inch, if you can see it there. Put it on a 1/4 inch. There's a little red line in there, and I matched it up to the 1/4 inch, and then I twisted this nut until I got my 1/4 inch to line up there, and my tension was good on my blade. So after that, I just went ahead and tightened the Allen key back, checked my tension a few times by operating it. It stayed at a 1/4 on my tension gauge or my scale. So it cut straight, looks good. We'll continue using it. Thank you.